Imagine waking up to find your most intimate photos shared online without your consent. The emotional toll is unimaginable. In today's internet-driven era, the non-consensual sharing of intimate photos, often called revenge porn, is a growing concern. Having private images posted online without consent is deeply distressing and can have far-reaching effects on your life. The violation of personal privacy can damage your reputation, mental health, and personal relationships. If you find yourself in this situation, it's essential to act quickly and effectively to regain control of your privacy. Why is this issue so prevalent? The internet makes it easy for images to be shared and spread rapidly. The consequences of having your nudes posted online can be severe, including reputational harm and emotional distress. Anxiety, depression, and stress are common mental health effects caused by such a public violation of privacy. The non-consensual sharing of nudes often leads to further harassment and cyberbullying. Once the images are online, it can feel impossible to get them removed, especially if they are being shared across various platforms. Taking swift and calculated steps is critical to preventing further harm. Start by documenting everything. Gather evidence by taking screenshots of where the images are posted, including timestamps and URLs. Report the content to social media platforms and hosting websites, which have policies against non-consensual intimate imagery. If the individual responsible is known, send them a cease and desist letter demanding the removal of the content. Consider taking legal action under privacy, defamation, or revenge porn laws, which vary by location. Engage reputation management services, like Defamation Defenders, for robust solutions to remove harmful content. Defamation Defenders specializes in content removal and search engine suppression to protect your online presence. Dealing with the emotional fallout is immensely difficult, so consider therapy or counseling for support. Defamation Defenders offers guaranteed content removal services, working tirelessly to have your images taken down. If removal is not possible, their search engine suppression strategies will bury the harmful content deep in search results. With Defamation Defenders, you don't have to face this ordeal alone. Take back control of your privacy today.